So now that we're talking about vision and having a mission,
Right.
I know that Primal Health Coaching has a very strong mission. Would you share that
Absolutely.
with us?
So our mission is to build a large network of primal health coaches around the world who are actively engaged in helping the millions of people who struggle with health issues reclaim their vitality and enjoyment for life using the primal principles. That's the mission.
It's pretty awesome.
Well, it's pretty awesome. And I'll tell you, when I started Mark's Daily Apple 10 years ago, my mission was to affect the lives of 10 million people by helping them reclaim their health through education and understanding ways in which their bodies worked. I think I missed a zero on that because I think 10 million was too small a number. I think we've hit 10 million.
That's
and it probably
incredible.
should have been 100 million. So
That's incredible.
So one of the ways that we're getting to the 100 million is by leveraging this technology that we've created to train coaches to go out into the world and affect people's lives and hopefully build a business for themselves doing that in the process.
Mm-hmm. To basically take the education, take everything that you've spent, you've just really been so passionate about learning and growing, empowering other people with that knowledge so that it gets a ripple effect.
Exactly.
And so that more people can be helped.
And at first I thought, well, I would be able to do this using just physicians, and I could teach physicians to how to spend more time with their patients and educate them on certain dietary changes they might make that were painless in most regards, to allowing them to sleep better, showing them ways in which they could move that would improve their bone density and their muscle health and their strength and their mobility. And then I realized the physicians just don't have time for this. It's really got to come down to people who are just really interested in helping other people. Yeah. And most of the people who've gone through the Primal Blueprint Health certification that we had up until the coaching program, they were mostly just interested for themselves and their families. But enough people came through the course and said, this information is so phenomenal, it's so great, it's so like mind-bogglingly easy to incorporate and change my life. How can I build a business doing this for myself? And that's what really begat the health coaching program, where we decided, if we can teach people how to coach these principles and do so in a way that, again, we teach what we want to learn, so you don't have to be an expert starting out of the gate. You don't have to have a PhD or anything, an MD. A lot of RNs, LPNs, a lot of physician's assistants, a lot of personal trainers have gone through the program. A lot of moms have gone through the program just because they want to work with their kids in this regard. And what we're seeing is that there's probably a level of training here that is so appropriate for people to work with other people who just need someone to listen to them and understand their goals and their aspirations, and then guide them in those principles along the way.